Good morning friends, my name is Dr. Shweta Goyal and now in this topic, in this series we will do some example of free body diagram. Okay, हम यहाँ पर कुछ example देखते हैं free body diagram के. तो first example is the book on a table. आपकी कोई book है वो table के ऊपर है. Let's say this is a table and the book is there. So what will be the free body diagram? There will be two force will be there. Two force will be acting on this book. First the weight exerted by on the earth. First is this gravitational force and another was normal force. Okay, so weight force is up downwards and normal force is upward. Only two force. So free body diagram is like this. Okay, now suspended block. One block is suspended on with the thread. Two force will be there. First is weight due to weight exerted by on the earth, and the second one is tension force. Okay, upward direction. Tension force upward direction. Okay, now third is the block on a floor with acting force Fa to pull the block. Okay, आपका ये है this one. आपका क्या है इसमें a block on a floor with an acting force Fa to pull the block. आपका क्या है एक acceleration force लग रहा है जो उसे खींचेगा. This block is pulled and therefore force friction acts on a block. Okay, one force is due to weight, second force is normal force, one is acceleration force and other one is refraction force, or we can say the friction force. Okay, so weight, normal force acting on that block when we pulling this, the weight acting on that block, and another one is force friction. Okay, so these kind of four force will be will on this block. Now another one that is falling object. Okay, the falling object will be only क्या है कि एक जो falling object like this. Okay, no thread is there, no earth is there, only falling object. So only force exerted on this block, that is due to weight. Okay, अगर ये है इसको अगर मैं ऐसे रख के ऐसे गिरा दूं तो only force will be there, only that is weight mg. Okay, now another and box on a inclined plane. Okay, आपका इस तरीके से एक प्लेन है, उसमें एक आपका एक बॉक्स रखा है. तो what kind of force will be there? One is due to weight. Okay, another one is due to normal force. Okay, only क्या है वो रखा है, कोई उसको मूवमेंट नहीं है. Okay, तो मूवमेंट नहीं है तो कोई फ्रिक्शन नहीं होगा, कोई एक्सेलरेशन नहीं होगा. Only this one weight and this one normal force. Okay, are you getting this? Now another example is this. A box on an inclined plane with the acting force and friction considered. Okay, अब क्या है आपका कोई फोर्स है जिसमें एक्शन फोर्स लग रहा है, वो क्या कर रहा है स्लिप कर रहा है. ठीक है, इस वाले में जो था कोई फोर्स स्लिप नहीं कर रहा था, जस्ट इट वाज इंक्लाइंड ऑन प्लेन, रख दिया आपने जाके उस प्लेन पे. अब इसमें क्या है आपका क्या हुआ, वो इंक्लाइंड नहीं है, वो एक्सेलरेशन है. तो वन इज वेट, another one is normal force that will be perpendicular to the axis, and another one is acceleration when you trying to pull this acceleration, and the friction force will be there. Okay, so Fs is a friction force that inclined plane on the both direction of the opposite of the motion. अगर आपका मोशन इधर है तो फ्रिक्शन इधर होगा, अगर मोशन इधर है तो फ्रिक्शन इधर होगा. Okay, weight and normal force will be perpendicular to the axis. Now, a block suspended to the ceiling using 3 strings. Okay, आपका कोई block है, this block using 3 strings, 1, 2 and 3. One point is connected to M, one point is connected to N, and one point connected to P. So this kind of block is suspended. The force will be one due to mg. We can say weight. Another one is tension force, upward direction, and another one is tension force. ठीक है, आपका क्या लगेगा, I can say this is T3. Okay, one is tension force due to A2, T2, and one is tension force due to T1. Because 3 string is connected, तो सबका आपका अलग अलग tension force होगा. तो one is due to this, one is due to this, and one is due to this. So 3 tension force are there, and 1 mg is there. Okay, so these kind of free body diagram can you do that? Yes, this kind of. Okay, so one is tension force T3 will be like this. Okay, T2 like this and T1 like this. So these are some example of free body diagram, student. If you have any query, if you have any problem, please comment me in a comment box. I will explain all your queries. Thank you, good day, and please subscribe this channel and share this channel.